In this video, I'll be using some examples to explain the different task dependencies. Now, task sequencing is a process of identifying and documenting the dependencies or relationships between your project tasks. Now, there's 4 types of task dependencies, which is your finish to start relationship, start to start relationship, finish to finish relationship, and start to finish relationship. With your finish to start is the most commonly used, and your start to finish is very rarely used. Now, what is predecessor task and a successor task? So if we look at task B, the predecessor task will be task A, and the successor task will be task C. Now let's have a look at the different task dependencies. First of all, our finish to start relationship, that is where your successor activity, so in this case task B, cannot start until the predecessor activity, that's task A, is finished. So task A needs to finish before task B can start. Now an example is installation of an operating system on a PC, that is now task B, and that cannot start until the PC hardware is assembled, that is task A. Now our start to start relationship, that is where the successor activity, that's task C, cannot start until the predecessor activity, that's activity B, has started. So activity B needs to start before activity C can start. An example, the leveling of concrete, that is now task C, cannot begin until the pouring of the foundation, that is task B, has started. Now our finish to finish relationship, that is where your successor activity cannot finish until the predecessor activity has finished. So task B needs to finish, and only then task C can finish. Now an example is writing a document, that is now task B, is required to finish before editing the document can finish, that is task C. And then your start to finish relationship, which is very rarely used, that is where your successor activity, that is now task C, cannot finish until the predecessor activity has started. So an example is a new account payable system, that is task B, must start before the old account payable system, that is task C, can be shut down. I hope this video helped you to better understand the different task dependencies, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, or you can subscribe to my channel for more project management related videos.